Come with us as we travel over 14 hours on 2 flights from Sydney to LA to see what Santa Monica Beach is really like. Welcome to Los Angeles.
Hey guys, we have landed in LA. I finally made it to America. First time in my life.
So it's been quite a long trip going from the airport in Sydney to here in Santa Monica. It's great to be here. We're going to unpack a little bit, charge phones, do things like that, and then we're going to take a little walk around the beach, go down to the beach and go check out Santa Monica Pier. So we stayed at Sonder the Beacon on Ocean Avenue, which was literally across the road from Santa Monica Beach and a 10-minute walk from Santa Monica Pier. Walking down onto the beach itself, it seemed very clean and expansive. There weren't that many people on the beach given we were there in autumn, but it was still really warm. Hey everyone, so we are on Santa Monica Beach at the moment, just walking down towards Santa Monica Pier. The beach here looks really nice. It's very flat and spacious.
Lots of people doing beach volleyball down the other end.
Yeah.
And we're heading towards the pier right now.
Yep.
Our hotel accommodation is literally across the road.
So we'll give you a little spin around of the beach behind us.
And that's the pier just there.
So yeah, we're going to go walk, check it out, to see if there's something to eat, have a late lunch, early dinner.
Yeah, we might go on some rides. We'll see what they got at the pier.
Obviously, the pier is one of the biggest tourist attractions in Santa Monica, but did you know that it's also famous for featuring in many TV shows and films, including Titanic and Forrest Gump? And there actually is a Bubba Shrimp Co. here on the pier somewhere, but unfortunately we didn't end up eating there. Now, as you can imagine, there's no shortage of carnival food, food trucks and takeaway here, but we decided to go with Beach Burger, mainly because of this plant-based hot dog. Which was delicious, to the point where I was actually questioning whether or not this was real meat or plant-based. But in any case, it hit the spot, and then it was time to check out Pacific Park. So the first ride that we went on was, of course, the Ferris wheel, and I think the tickets were something like $10 each, or you could get a pass for a full day of riding for, I think it was about $40. But anyway, I'll link the site down below in the description. And anyone that knows me knows that I'm terrified of heights, but I always like to challenge myself, especially when I go away overseas and I might not ever be in that same place again. The second ride we went on was, of course, the roller coaster. We both love roller coasters and we were excited for this ride, and even though it's not the biggest roller coaster in the world, it still didn't disappoint.
Oh, it's a small steak, my bum.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, so we just went to the Pacific Park at Santa Monica.
Yeah.
And we went on a couple of rides.
Yeah, and it's been like a lovely afternoon here. It's very busy here on the Santa Monica Pier,
But it's just got a good vibe. Like, you know, there's a lot of people walking around on holidays, you can tell. It's got the full carnival atmosphere, as you can see behind us. And yeah, it's been a really good sort of unwind from a long flight and a nice welcome introduction to LA, Santa Monica for Michael.
Yep.
And yeah, it's nice, been familiar for me. So it's been a really good afternoon. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.